See, I'll show you, man. We've trained Jax with the money. Protect the money, take your profits. When I give it to you, you're gonna go run and take it, all right? Protect the money. Go. He knows. Look at that view, man. It's actually not that good of a view. All the houses I have views, but they're like mediocre views. You guys know. I'm at one of the TTF houses. This is one I'm hoping to put you guys in, so we'll talk about this one a little bit more. You'll probably see it. You guys should see the other house. I don't know if I should tell you. You guys got me excited with this coat. Look at this. Look at this. Y'all, which one are you? Are you bull or bear? Ooh. But no, I'm actually here at the TTF house, going up one of them, and I don't have my stuff. That's why I have to. This house, I've been moving stuff from here, moving other stuff in. Like I said, we're gonna sell it, rent it, all that. But now I don't have my setup, so I just have that one laptop. I forgot I have screens and shit here, but yeah, that's why I've been active with these videos. You guys gave me some good questions, so I'm gonna go get some food. Take you guys with me in the car. We'll answer some of them on the YouTube. There's a lot of stuff people said, so I think we'll just go over those questions. I have another cool video. Oh, Jackie! Jackie, hi! Hi, baby! Hi, Stocks! Oh. That kind of looked weird, huh? All right, where's my keys? Hold on. Well, as I'm hunting for these keys, I forgot. I mean, I don't even say it. If you guys are new, most of you guys see me spamming these videos, you know, and I don't know, should I spam my YouTube like I do like my Instagram? You guys see how I'm always posting shit and all that, but should we do it like that? I like it. I think we could do some stuff with it, but if you guys are new, always subscribe. Drop me a video to talk about. Wait, where's my wallet now? Man, I'm getting Chick-fil-A, man. They were closed last time I wanted it. I need some Chick-fil-A. But yeah, no, you guys subscribe. This might be new to you. If you don't know what the cult is and what we're doing, definitely, there might be some people you could talk to. But yeah, hold on. Okay, my hand got tired and I was recording and I realized as I took my break, I was just ranting. So to answer, I guess, the title of this stock market course, TTF pledge class, for you guys, if you actually want to learn how to trade stocks, and I mean that in the sense of literally knowing what a company is, understanding the stock market, what is making the price of stocks change beyond colorful lines and technicals. We're not talking about trading ETFs. We're not, you know, it's not technical stuff. It's stuff literally high level shit. We're talking above college level shit that's used in the finance industry of just going about having to build wealth in one area, but mainly learning how to trade. We've separated it from our real estate. We've separated it from everything else. It is focused on that, and you guys will see the elements we're bringing in from business for it. But that's it. If that's what you guys are gonna want to learn, go ahead. But here's the kicker. If you don't want to commit, you're a baby back bitch, you're not ready to give blood to join a cult, I understand. I'm messing with you. Hopefully you guys see humor, but there's these YouTube videos. There's a bunch of shit they're dropping. Go watch them all, and that's it. Just do your thing. Go through, and then, you know, if you have questions, put them on the YouTube. But you could still participate and get involved and learn, and hopefully you learn enough to get confident enough to where you do approach me and want to work with us and are able to do stuff, and you're able to see what we've already taught you through the YouTube. If you're, you know, I'm very confident that, like I'm saying, you're getting involved in the cult whether you like it or not, because I'm going to teach you so much, you have no other option. But I hopefully you guys see it. But if you guys are trying to learn, there's a lot of stuff online. You know, I'm not even going to bother talking about some of that stuff, but it's clear to, you know, men lie, women lie, numbers don't. Just go look. You know, we have this stuff here. You guys see what we're doing. I'm really committed to this. I'll tell you guys, I lost the huge opportunity because I've started a cult. I'm gonna make that in another video. So get ready. But now I'll continue off from the other one. So yeah. Welcome. It's funny. Y'all should see all of the, like, can you even see how messy this car is? And like the dog hair. Because like everybody asks me, like, why do you always drive that C-Class? Actually, I got this car, 52,000 miles, bro, 2016, bro. Fucking wrecked this thing. We got this car actually, so people at when we first started with the TTF house, so that they could use it. And yeah, so they ended up not wanting it. Well, they did, but you know, people didn't complete their jobs and their tasks. So I was like, fuck it, I'll just keep this thing, turn it to the beater And well, you guys see how messy this is, man. I don't know if you guys actually see how messy it is. And you know, people would always give me shit for putting seat covers on the Ferrari. I'm like, dude, I'm just a messy guy. You guys see, I really don't care too much about trivial stuff, but I like to protect things of value. So I'm not saying this car's value. I have treated this car badly, but you could get in comparison to the other vehicles, I guess. But yeah, I was even talking about it with some of the people who are going to be helping. I have people invested in this TTF Colt, man, and I'm telling you, people who want to put some of you guys to work. So actually, I was going to answer the questions. I think I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to be, what's it called? I'm going to be in the drive-thru, so I'm going to think if I have to shoot these videos and go home, if to upload them, I'll have to shoot 2 right now in the car. So I guess I'll do that. But yeah, see that? A good view. That's a good view, right? It's a good workout. This used to hurt me, but I'm not as fat anymore. But I think we'll talk about the pledge class. Let's talk about the pledge class, the Colt. I do have actually some updates on the Colt. I'm going to tell you guys how it's going to work. There will be an option for everybody to join the Colt, because people have asked me, is the trading fraternity and the Colt separate? And it is. They're 2 different things. Are we going to be forming a physical, literal, tax-assessed Colt? We are. It's already done. And it will be, and I want to make it accessible to everybody. Membership fees, stuff like that with the Colt, it's going to be a little different. It's not going to exist, but it's a Colt. Honestly, I'm just not going to have too much. That's what I'm saying. It's just going to be, it's going to exist, but there's going to be very limited information because it's a Colt. So there's that. So we'll bring up the Colt again. But let's talk about the pledge class. I had a lot of people, and one thing I wanted to talk about was like the types of people. I think I said it already in the video. They said we're looking for some Ivy League, this, that. No. And like, I've even had some people, they've followed me for years, and you know, here's my question. Some people followed me for a really long time, and then they'll ask me stock trading questions, and I'm like, well, why don't you watch the YouTube videos, or why don't you interact with it? And they don't really want to, or they say something like, oh, I know, or they're like, I want to join, but I don't have, the big thing I get is I don't have time, or I already know how it's going to work. Well, both things, honestly, it sucks. I had a conversation with one person, he said that to me, and I told him, he said, and we talked, and I even answered his questions, and I'll talk about the mindset, but after he said, fine, I'm going to apply, and I told him, I said, I don't want you to apply anymore, because it's not going to really hit home this message that I'm trying to give you right now with what you need to be doing. You know, it just, the fact was, he would ask for literally years on my Instagram. He said he's followed me. He talked about, he's like, I followed you 2012. You bought a nightclub. I was like, wow, the hookah bar. Like, you remember that? Like, you were, yeah, I was like, damn, you really have been following me for that long. And he was talking about, he's like, yeah, but like, you know, I already know what it's going to be like. I already know what this and my time. And I just was saying, you know, if that is your mentality with things, it's like the same thing I said when you think you know something, it's hard to advance. It's hard to get opportunities. If like you think I'm only looking for some type of people, you think it's only going to be like this, you're only going to get some information, we're just going to, oh, it's just, you're just trying to build people up to this. No, it's like, we're trying to make money here. We're trying to get people, and even the fact, it doesn't matter what we're doing. What matters is if you're, how many other opportunities do you view like that? And I get it, you know, believe me, some opportunities aren't opportunities. Go look at my videos. I fucking said that, you know, just as well as this could be an opportunity, it could be viewed as a scam. It could be, everything could be a scam, you know, and some things, a lot of things are scams, and I don't not encourage being skeptical of things. So it's not like that, but you guys have to understand approaching things. And I'm saying, leave TTF out. It sucks. I said this about the pledge. Leave TTF out of this, you know. Anything you're going to go approach is like, if you think you already know the outcome and you think it's going to be like this, that's one thing. It's not going to get you stuff. The second now is approaching situations, you know. Even this guy was approaching me with stuff. I thought it was funny because he just said, all he want, and I get it. You guys don't, you know what I'm saying? You guys, okay, great. You don't want to join the TTF. You don't want to be in some little cult. You don't want to be in some club. You don't want to learn. You just want the fucking stock plays. I get it. You want to make money. Do your thing. That's fine. But how are you going to accomplish that goal? Honestly. So you see somebody doing it. You see someone doing better than that. Okay, I can hit these plays. You see it. Obvious, right? What is your way of going about that? If you're going to ask me something, are you just going to say, hey, give me a play? what's this? What's this? And just throw questions at somebody as if you're entitled to them, that's not going to get you anywhere. I said, go comment on my YouTube videos. Go comment on me. Go stroke my ego. You know I'm making these videos. You know people, I want people to see them. Go. Why don't you comment on them? Why don't you interact with me? Ask me how my day, you know, that's what I'm saying, is that people's just approach to opportunities, bettering themselves. Like, come on, like this, it makes sense why a lot of people aren't doing stuff. And this is some of the stuff I teach in TTF as well as the trading stuff. But I hope that you guys are getting this point, and it has to do with your opportunity. So that being said, now we could talk about the TTF and the course and what we're going to be doing with it. I said one big thing, and I'll reiterate this. I want you guys to be trading. I used to not allow people to trade. I said 3 months. If you guys have been to a group interview, I said you won't make money for a year. I still stand by that as far as making sure your guys' expectations are in place. But if I need to make sure, if you really understand the risk and understand what you're doing, if you really want to start trading right away, go ahead. I don't recommend it, but we will allow it. But I want it to do it to change the environment where now we're able to look at people's plays, where we're having people coming every day with, hey, I made this play. I prefer you do it with paper money so that it's not real money you lose. But hey, if you learned with real money, let's do it. But I think in general, I'm excited for what's going to happen with all this. I think we have a lot of stuff. The house too, I got more information. I have like 3 or 4 people who want to come out. And again, go watch the video. It's on the homepage if you really are interested in that. I can answer any questions here. I think the biggest question is, what do people have to do? You're going to work. Yeah, I'm going to give you a task. The rent for the house will be $1,000 for your room. If I'm going to give you a job for $1,000 a month, and you do that job, you get free rent. And then now if you excel at that job, I will pay you at the same rate I'm paying you or more, and give you a commission on whatever that deal is. Dude, this is hurting. It hurts my my other hand, so. Ooh. All right, I need a break, man, but yeah, hold on. All right, so I don't want to rant anymore. I forgot what I was saying. I just got to the Chick-fil-A drive-thru. I'm gonna make my other video now, but I'll leave this one here. So subscribe, like, give me questions. You have questions about the pledge class, moving out, the Colt, only so many questions could be answered, you know what I'm saying? But I love you guys. You guys have been great. I've been seeing some comments. People have been getting helped out through this. So regardless, you know, you got a stock market course here on this YouTube in some way, shape, or form. I'm seeing it's helping people. I love it. If you're giving me positive feedback and I'm seeing it helps you, it's awesome, honestly. That's all I need. If I could see that and you guys are actually showing me and help, that's why I'm asking for your feedback, to know which types of content is really helping you guys, and to see that people are really, I'm impressed. I have higher level subscribers, honestly, who are able to see the value in some of this stuff and are using it to their advantage. That's awesome. So let me know. I love you guys. Stay in school. Don't stay in, do whatever you want, okay? Fuck.